This is an overview of our new add-on, the multi-user importer. Um, so once the add-on is activated, go to Documents and then multi-user import. Um, Local import is built into the free version, but this adds a new item here, multi-user import. So here's the interface. So you're going to want to upload a zip file, and you can import two different ways. One way is to assign a folder for each user, and I went ahead and did that under Files here. Um, I have just the user ID here for each folder, and you can do that three different ways. You can do the user ID, you can do the user email, or you can do the user login. Um, so I just have a bunch of images in here, and this would associate with the admin user, and this is just another user here. Um, so you can use unlimited subfolders, any structure, any size file. Um, the uploader uses chunking, so if you have a gigabyte file, zip file, that's not a problem because it's going to handle each file individually. Um, so once we have our compressed folder, and it has to be a zip file, um, go to your importer, click Browse, and then select your zip file. And it's going to upload that to the server and then extract it right onto the server for you. It creates a temporary folder which gets removed after the process is finished. And you can see that our folder has 10 files in it. Um, Now, if you were uploading one zip file to every user, you would use this option, but we're not doing that right now. We just want to upload our folders. So we have user ID here, 1, and user ID 2 here. So it's going to add files to these two users. So I used the user ID, so keep that selected. It's telling us this is our target folder. And everything looks good, and we're ready to import. It's going to import very quickly because they're just images and it's already done. As you can see, there's no more action going on here. So the import is done. So let's go check out home. See, all our files are imported, and they were imported into their correct folders. So you can see we have our same exact folder structure here. User 1, which is this one right here. You can just see we have a dogs folder, and then these 3 imported files got imported into the root directory of our admin user. So if we go to the front end, documents, so you can see this is the same structure as we laid out here. So we have a dogs folder, and it's like that with every user. So same thing with our secondary user we used. And you can see the folder structure works fine here, as well as the nested folder. So that is how you import. There's no limitations there. Let me just go over the other feature, which allows you to upload a zip file to every user. First, I'm just going to remove all the files here. And we should have a clean slate, so no more documents. Okay, so let's go back to our multi-user import, and I'm just going to use the same file just for the demo. So browse, select our zip file, and what this is going to do is anything you put in this zip file, it's going to add it to every single user on the site. So, you know, if you had a PDF or something that you wanted to just upload to everybody, but you didn't want to go through and upload it individually, you could do that this way. So this is gonna start with the 1 and 2 folder, but so let's upload our zip file and click. I want to upload the entire zip contents to each user, and then click import. And it's just gonna go through and upload it, and it looks like it's all done. And we can see a lot more files this time because we have 3 users, so I uploaded all those files to each user, and you can see that here. And you can see it kept the structure. I had those laid out with IDs before, so it kept the same exact structure. And then let's check out our admin user, so you can see this structure is exactly the same. And that's about it. If you want to purchase this plugin, go to our website, smartypantsplugins.com, click add-ons, and it's multi-user import. And then you can just click add to cart and purchase. And if you have any questions, submit a ticket or chat with us and let us know.